The videos on this channel are purely for educational purposes. In this series, which is named as I for investment, a lot of times the names of various companies would be quoted, and these companies are listed in the stock markets. However, it should be noted that the names which are quoted in the videos and which are displayed on this channel are only for educational purposes, and those companies should not be considered as an investment advice. The creator might be having those companies in the investment portfolio or might not be. Viewers are advised to consult a registered financial advisor before making any decision.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information related to personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the goods that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. Religious sentiments in India. In morning time, after taking a shower, we all worship to that Almighty Lord. Prior to leaving for offices, schools, and colleges, we all worship to God and ask for His blessings so that we can spend a good and a productive day. We Indians have diversity in our lives. We have various languages, religions, culture, and rituals. Moreover, deep down, somehow we all are superstitious as well. Most of us prefer to wear rings in the fingers and on the wrists. We also wear rings bearing different beads of our birthstones, threads, garlands of various beads, and even we keep some kind or the other metals with ourselves.
Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. What I do is about as simple as you can get. You could just count the beads, 1, 2, 3, with your eyes closed or open, whatever makes you happy.
India has a rich spiritual history, and ancient India was one of the world's oldest centers of spiritual thoughts. That is the reason God took birth again and again in India, and it also appeared in India whenever it was required. A lot of individuals also wear some silver or golden lockets of our god glances. Therefore, jewelry companies and the other companies which are into the business of manufacturing such beads, circlets, and such metals also hit the books of the investors, because as an investor, you can invest in these companies. Here we have also figured out the companies which are listed in the stock markets just by observing our lifestyle. So let's take a look at these companies. All of these companies are listed in Indian stock markets. In our temples, we have beads and its garland containing 108 beads which we all often use while worshipping God. Banaras Beads. This company is in the business of handicrafts and in the business of manufacturing decor products, imitation jewelry, gold ornaments, silver ornaments, necklace, and other products. Apart from Banaras Beads, there are other companies as well, such as Asahi India, Borosil Limited, and La Upala. All such companies are in the same business as Banaras Beads. While worshipping God, we also use incense sticks and light it with the matchbox. ITC company that was discussed earlier also manufactures incense sticks and matchbox as well. Now when we talk about notebooks and books, we get one thing in the mind, which is paper. Paper is used in manufacturing books, notebooks, and it is also used in offices as well. There are a lot of paper companies listed in the stock markets, such as JK Papers, Orient Papers, Imami papers, West Coast, etc. Paper and stationery products are used on a daily basis by a lot of businessmen and also by the service person along with the students. Do you think that paper will be out of demand? We use posters for advertisements, we read newspaper for various updates, and we use paper napkins, paper envelope, and many other products such as A4 sheets. Although all of us are moving to a digital era wherein we are reducing the usage of paper, however, papers are being used and they were also used in a lot of institutions such as banks, financial institutions, and also in other corporates. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks, which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then
if you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.